Firstly, we will first talk about its developer. For Android, its developer is created by Google and the Open Headset Alliance, while Apple is developed by Apple Inc. iOS. In terms of history, Apple is launched in June 2007 with the iPhone, whereas Android is launched in September 2008 with the HTC Dream T-Mobile G1. In terms of design and user interface, Apple focused on minimalizing the uniform design. All apps follow strictly guidelines for consistent look and feel, whereas Android highly customizable UI manufacturers can modify the interface as they see fit, leading to variety of design choices. And lastly, for home screen, Apple iOS static home screen with app icons in a grid layout. Widgets are available but limited in customization, whereas Android dynamic home screen users can add widgets and shortcuts, customize layouts intensively. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Steve Ong, and now I'll be talking about the difference of quick settings, options to run multiple apps, licensing requirements, and source code between Apple operating system and Android operating system. So, firstly, for quick settings, for Apple operating system, it can be accessed via the control center with options for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and other settings, but it has limited customization. But for Android, quick setting menu is accessible from the notification shade. It is also highly customizable with various toggles. Secondly, for options to run multiple apps, for Apple operating system, it supports split view only on iPad and pop-up features, but limited but has limited multitasking options on iPhone. And for Android operating system, it has extensive multitasking options, including split screen on many devices, allowing apps to run side by side. Thirdly, for licensing requirements, for app for Apple operating system, its proprietary operating system devices must be made devices must be made by Apple, and it has strict guidelines applying for its app development. But for open source Android operating system, it is available for various manufacturers, and it has a more flexible licensing, allowing for a greater variety of devices. Last but not least, source code. For Apple's operating system, it is closed sourced, and Apple will control the entire ecosystem, limiting insights into the system architecture, mostly for its security reasons. But for Android, it is open sourced, and the core Android code is available to developers, enabling modification and custom ROMs by various communities. That's all from me. Thank you.
So I'm going to explain for support programming languages. So in Apple iOS, it primarily supports for Swift and Objective-C for app development. So while Android, it supports for Java, Kotlin, C++, and more, and it's very extensive support for multiple programming languages. So in number and quality of apps, Apple iOS has an approximately 1.8 million apps available, and it's known for high quality curated apps with string-rated review process. So while in Android it has an over 2.8 million apps available, quality may vary due to a less strict review process, allowing a wider range of app types. In messaging apps, Apple iOS has iMessage integrated within Message app, end-to-end encrypted, offers SMS and MMS services. While Android has a variety options like Google Messages, WhatsApp, Signal, and more, with no default messaging app standard access to devices. In virtual assistant, Apple iOS has Siri, which is integrated deeply into an OS with features like voice commands, smart home control, and more. While Android has a Google Assistant, highly sophisticated with cross-device capabilities, integration with Google services, and advanced machine learning. Thank you.